Well, most opposition parties have now extended full support to the Bharat Bandh call by farmers tomorrow. In Lucknow, Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh sat on a dharna after he was blocked by the cops from joining the farmers' protest. He attempted to march on foot towards Kannauj from his residence in Lucknow after the police stopped him from boarding his car. There was a fierce face-off between the Samajwadi Party members and the cops. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee speaking at a rally in Midnapur warned that Prime Minister Modi must either withdraw the farm bill or resign. TMC MP Shogata Roy claimed that the party will not support Bharat Bandh, but they stand by the farmers' cause and agitation. Parties like Shiv Sena, TRS, RSP, RJD, DMK, SP, BSP and Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, amongst others, have extended their support for the nationwide stir. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal visited Chingu border today between Delhi and Haryana and reviewed the arrangements made for protesting farmers, adding that Aam Aadmi Party stands with the farmers and will do everything to support them.
किसान के लिए कानून अगर बना है और किसान आंदोलन कर रहा है तो सरकार की जिद किस बात की है? सरकार क्यों जिद पर रुकी हुई है? अगर किसान के पक्ष में कानून नहीं है, किसान ये बात कह रहे हैं, तो सरकार को वो कानून वापस लाने चाहिए। सरकार को पूरे कानून वापस ले लेने चाहिए।
हम किसानों की सभी मांगों का समर्थन करते हैं। किसानों का मुद्दा और किसानों का जो संघर्ष है वो बिल्कुल जायज है। शुरू से हम पूरी तरह से, मेरी सरकार और हमारी पार्टी किसानों के संघर्ष में साथ रहे हैं।
देखिए, ये तो झूठ मूठ की बातें हैं। उनसे कहिए कि अपने जो आपके यहाँ पे किसान हैं उनका आपने क्या एमएसपी लागू किया है, आपके यहाँ पे जो किसान है क्या उनको आपने बिजली मुफ्त की है, और आपके यहाँ पे जो किसान है उसको सामान काट करने की, एक मंडी से दूसरी मंडी ले जाने की आपने सुविधा दी है। नहीं, ये किसानों की बात करते हैं, अपना क्षेत्र संभाल नहीं सकते, अपने लोगों का कुछ नहीं कर सकते, बनने चले हैं सिंधु बॉर्डर पे बैठने।
उनको मांग मुख्यमंत्री पूरा समर्थन किए हैं और उनके कल का जो आंदोलन है उसको भी समर्थन किए, लेकिन पश्चिम बंगाल में हम बंद को समर्थन नहीं करेंगे। ये हमारे नीति के खिलाफ है और सब ठीक है।
Political pressure mounting on the government with various political parties in fact supporting the Bandh. But let's take that question straight to the Congress MPs and ask why this protest today, Manish ji. The farm laws already came in the parliament, the bills were debated. Why call for a winter session?
It's very simple, because since 1952, this is the first time that the government is not giving any clarity on the winter session. So therefore, that is why we are all sitting here in order to articulate the concerns of the farmers who are extremely agitated by these farm laws. So we want the parliament session to be called and the farm laws to be repealed.
I want to connect right now immediately to our National Affairs Editor, Rahul Srivastav, joining us from the national capital. Rahul, you know, what's interesting is we've seen now all opposition parties coming together. They've sensed blood, want to extract maximum political mileage of the crisis that is being faced by Delhi with these farm union protests.
Yes, Preeti, the government definitely is beleaguered as far as the political spectrum is concerned, with several political parties jumping in. You see, there is a sense among the opposition parties that unlike the CA and other issues where one found that the government could leverage the communal lines as far as the legislation was concerned, here there is a larger unity index as far as the farmers are concerned, and farmers are the largest voting constituency in this country. Any unity among the farmers is bad news for a government which is pushing a legislation against him. Now, in this scenario, the opposition senses an opportunity, has thrown its weight behind. Even that includes people like Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister of Delhi, who had actually notified the farm bills and is now opposing the bills, providing, in fact, he visited the site. But that's where, Preeti, I will say, the government senses an opportunity. Now, if there is an attempt by political forces to brand the party BJP as anti-farmers, the BJP is now utilizing the presence of political forces joining in the farmers in the call for a nationwide bandh to, for the first time, come out guns blazing against the political element that has got added. So what it has done, attacked Arvind Kejriwal, attacked Punjab Chief Minister Sharad Pawar, the Congress Party and others, and trying to paint a picture that these are the people who were backing APMC abolition at one time. They were pushing for reforms, but today they are opposing it just because there is a political opportunity.
Rahul, in the larger picture, doesn't this weaken the stand of the farmers?
Yes, Preeti, I think this does not augur well, because as we reported on Friday evening, there was a meeting of 60 farm unions in which there was a segment of farmers which were saying that if the government is ready to push certain amendments as far as the 3 farm bills are concerned, then we can call off our protest. But there was a certain segment of farmers from Punjab and others which pushed these unions, no, we have to have a majority decision. We will have to seek a complete repealing of the 3 farm bills. In that scenario, the presence of political parties and political participation dilutes that picture, muddies the picture as far as the farm protests are concerned. People who are on the fringes or outside these protests will wonder that what our political party is trying to do as far as the farmer agitation concerned. And that's why a very sharp, concerted attack by Ravi Shankar Prasad, the face of the BJP in this press conference, to push that these laws, if they are produced by farmers, then what our political party is doing in them. And I think that's where the government's attempt is, one, to create a sense of isolation as far as these political parties is concerned. Second, also throughout the country where BJP or NDA rules, the government's attempt will be to ensure that there are no large farm protests or farmers don't join in, so that these protests can be isolated. I think an effort in terms of political damage control is on by the BJP.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Rahul. We're going to continue to come back to you for more. Meanwhile, let's take a quick look at where at least the political parties stand, who is supporting whom right now. The TMC, TRS, JMM, Shiv Sena, CPI, CPIM, CPIML, the NCP, the DMK, the Samajwadi Party, the RJD, the BSP, the Aam Aadmi Party, along with the Congress, are all in together where the Bharat Bandh is concerned and with the farmers. For the first time, we've seen a sweep of opposition unity coming at the back of one event which has turned extremely political is off right now. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.